Hey bird lovers, this is Paulette. Today the birds are going to get carrots and we are going to cut them in this elongated way here so that we have something to actually clip to with our little food clips or a clothespin. So I'm going to start in the middle, halfway through my carrot first on an angle, so like this. And then I'm going to start here from the middle and cut my slices. Now if you have a chef's knife, you can just leave the tip on the board. All you have to move is the back end. Get as many slices as you can. Now you are going to end up with a little weird piece like this, but I figure that's still okay. The little food clip can clip right here, and this portion will stick out over the food cup. If you have Quakers or bigger parrots, African Greys, they will enjoy that. But look how nice that is. So I'm not doing birdie breakfast right now. I just don't have time. I've got a colicky grandbaby, and she just so happens to be asleep right now. So anyway, I've still got to get some fresh food to my birds. I'm not doing as much breeding as I have been in the past. And then there's another little, the very tip end. But still, you can clip onto that, and this will stick out there, and they will eat that. My birds haven't had birdie breakfast for a while, so they've gotten quite unpicky. So anyway, I hope this tip helps you. If you have any questions, be sure and let me know.